Hello, Cartoon 24 user. Yes, today I would like to show you how to create this one. Yeah, simple and easy. So I would like to create one by click this new prompt. Yeah, click a new object. We open Photoshop. Yeah, and we start to draw. We use this tool. Yeah, this tool and called round rectangle tool. Yeah, and we draw like this. Click enter. So I click P to change the color, this one, or you can click this one. Now I will to change this color fill, this one, a red one. Yeah, and stroke. Yeah, and the stroke that I would like to use, I use yellow and increase size this stroke like this. I drag the layer out, easy to see this. So I would like to duplicate this one. 1, 2. Yeah, duplicate 2. Okay, the first one I would like to not fill this one, not fill the color. The color I change to this one. And toolbar, so I would like to use this, change another color to this color. Yeah, and stroke, yeah, change to other. Yeah, this color. Okay, and this one I would like to group two of this and would like to show first for red one. Yeah, and I click select two of this and Control G, or you click this one, so I call B1. Yeah, and another, so I would like to draw circle. Don't forget to click shift when you drag around here. Click V to readjust this, and click P or click this one. So I would like to use this color as red one. Yeah, this red, and stroke, yeah, the same color. Click P again, increase stroke. Okay, like this. And I duplicate that one, duplicate the last one, so I would like to use the color the same, this background. Click P, change to this color. So I hide it to check this one. See this one. Okay, and put stroke. So the last one, the stroke. I hide all this and check this. Okay, green, and this one, click P to change this to green. And I would like to group two of this. Group, Control G. Yeah, and I open one, so as the first one default. If you would like to use this one default, you can open this and turn off this one. Okay, now I use red default like this, and turn on B1. Yeah, use this default. Okay, so I put this one up, like this. And this below of this line, yeah, like this up and show you, and this line below. Okay, like this. So I have 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and default this one ready, and just Control S to save. Okay, and we open Cartoon 24, click prompt. Where? Okay, here. So this old one that I delete. You see this one, I Control Z, undo. You check this line 1, 2, 3 line, 1, 2, 3, 4 line. Okay, and you would like to add line, so it's easy. Just create one more. Click create one more, this group. Okay, and click. Don't forget to click plus this group. I call L1. Okay, L1. L1 and I draw this. Okay, so I use this one to draw. 1. I zoom in, Control plus, zoom in. 2. Like this. Okay, this only this bar. Just Control S to save. Control S is auto to show here. Okay, and delete this one. Okay, now I would like to animate, and we put the first frame. Control click like this. So this I check this. Okay, remove all animate. So I would like to click this object related track. Click here. Click close music. Okay, now I would like to animate this, and I drag this frame, that means render frame, this one, a gap between when we render. So I would like to click this one called Sprite Editor. Yeah, and I would like to put a 40 frame, maybe. Just try. So I click this one, maybe. Yeah, like this. Okay, so before I click this, so I would like to change a pivot. I don't want to change inside this one. I would like to change in Photoshop. So I click here. The old one, so I go Photoshop first. I click close this and open this one. Right click to launch the editor again. Okay, and open this. This folder is auto generate to share. Okay, and easy. So I would like click V. I'll click here. Drag which one I will try to use, this one. Okay, to check this one, background B1. So this dummy B1 here, and just Control and click drag this one down here. Okay, and just Control S only. So pivot this bar, drop down here. When I use this, so I would like to drag, click B1 here and drag down around here. Okay, when around here, so just try to play animate like this. Okay, if you would like to slow, you drag like this and test again. Slow 50 frame. Okay, so like this. Okay, this speed. So I would like to change the color. Just click outside and click this one and change. Click this, yeah, and change the color. Okay, and the red one, this one also, and change to this color. You see, it's simple. When right there, it change the color. Okay. Okay. Just make sure this color is the same, but you can correct it. But I would like to use this one. Okay, no need to correct. Okay, like this. And after that, just collect clip. Click collect clip from start and to this point. But I would like to use this 60 frame. Add to action menu and start as start. Okay, click OK. Ready. So right click to remove, and I would like to start as normal of this. Sorry, Control Z. Drag back. Okay, right click to remove all animate. I leave this like this. I would like to add animate. Sorry, called elastic motion. Click. So in trend, yeah, you can purchase in resolution if you want to get more in trend. So I have already, but I copy the custom from my old computer to new computer, so I have this. Okay, and I would like to use this first frame, start like this. Okay, and just right click to this one, use start. Okay, when you want to check this when it start or stop, you can see this motion to show here. And the last one, so exit, I use 1. Okay, like that. So I would like to check again or play again. Yeah, finish. Just add music. Okay, again. Okay, when finish, you can finish at this frame 113. So you can drag this one, or the fast way you can set this key. Click here, you will set here, and this red dot set there. Okay, and just click export. You can use as MOV. It you can see only that mean when you use in Movavi, that you can see only, that mean transparent, only you can see this probe, see like this. Okay, or how I would like to show you now. So I would like to export. Yeah, MOV, I click this frame. Okay, so if you would like to use size, you can change this to this here, up here. Yeah, or you put like this. Okay, according to you that you would like to use in Movavi, like this. Okay, and just export. So click export. That I use CA4, this one. Okay, and temperature, and wait until finish. Yeah. Okay, now I would like to open Movavi. Yeah, Movavi. Just waiting. Okay, now I would like to use one sample of this Movavi, that to show you sample background. Yeah. Okay, and this one. And I would like to open CF4 this temperature here, .mov, drag to this one and drag up like this. You can see when I play, you can see this automatically transparent, and you can use in Movavi, yeah, video editor like this. Okay, and simple and easy like this. Okay. Oh, thank you guys. I hope this helped you. So please don't forget to subscribe and like, yeah, and comment if you have any question. Thank you. See you next video.